Welcome to the channel viewers, Dr. JWA, theologist. When Australia stopped recognising itself, when citizenship became mostly just paperwork. Have you ever wondered when being Australian slowly became something you could prove but no longer easily describe? Australian citizenship remains important. But how important? Passports were issued, ceremonies continued, certificates were framed and displayed with pride, yet something deeper quietly faded. People could explain how they became Australians. Fewer could explain what becoming an Australian actually meant. Michael volunteered at citizenship ceremonies every month. He loved watching families pledge their commitment to their new country. The smiles were genuine, the hope was real. But one afternoon, he noticed something unsettling. The speeches celebrated opportunity, diversity, and freedom. Almost nothing was said about the shared responsibilities, traditions, civic identity expected to bind strangers into one nation. After the ceremony, a young migrant approached him. "What does it mean to live as an Australian?" And Michael paused. He spoke about fairness, helping neighbours, respecting the law and contributing to the community. The young man thanked him politely, then admitted no one had mentioned those things during the official proceedings. Michael drove home carrying a question that refused to leave him. If citizenship explains how someone enters a nation, who explains what holds that nation together afterwards? Nobody argued against citizenship. Nobody opposed welcoming new Australians. The quiet uncertainty lay elsewhere. Australia can also issue documents, but documents alone cannot create shared identity. That grows through lived customs, common stories, mutual obligations, and a confidence that newcomers and established citizens alike are joining something larger than themselves. Viewers, nobody announced that citizenship in Australia had become administrative. It just did. It simply became easier to measure paperwork than belonging. And when belonging to Australia is left undefined for long enough, every individual begins writing a different version of the nation of Australia. A passport, viewers, may identify a citizen, but only a shared culture allows citizens to recognise one another.